sacrifice that they were mine.
Oh, Lucy, I'm home from the club.
How was it, Ricky?
Yes, how was it?
It was very good, but I'm very hungry from all that dancing.
Why don't you pop something in the microwave?
The what?
The microwave!
What does that do?
It can cook everything.
Everything?
Everything.
Like what?
Mashed potatoes.
Oh.
Mac and cheese.
Soup. Franks. Pork and beans. Hash browns. Pancakes. Turkey pot pie. Care Bears. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. It's clean when you microwave. Such a great invention. You can make anything you need real quick, just in a few minutes. Take, for example, hot chocolate. Just get a little bit of water and put it in the microwave for a minute. Just like that, it's done. Quick, easy, and you have a nice cup of warm water for your hot chocolate.
The microwave is so easy, even small children can use it. As long as they can reach, that is. Here's your dinner, Ricky.
Thank you, Lucy. Good.
Go.
What do I do with my hands? I'm gonna have to get me one of those microwaves.
No, in a redneck.
I thought that was a
Y'all gonna have
No.
to give me one of those microwaves.
Like that.
Y'all gonna have to get me one of those microwaves.
A ghetto.
Y'all gonna have to get me one of those microwaves.
Now, as a dolphin.
Okay. Microwave.
Now in cat.
Microwave.
Microwave.
Oh, it's me.
Now, as a robot.
Oh my gosh.
You gonna have to get me one of those microwaves.
Props.
Snapchat.
What they're for. To hide things that you don't want other people to see.
50s.
That's why there's props. They really had phones in the
Oh,
50s.
nice.
They were just hidden by props.
Not good. Not good things.
Don't.
Tennessee, I got a woman made for my son. I love that song.
Baby. Oh my window.
I didn't know what that was! That was the song.
Chicken pot pie.
That's turkey, hun.
Turkey. What, you did start?
Yes.
Oh, okay, there. Look away, okay? Oh, hi. I didn't see. Okay. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Just cleaning my new microwave. Microwaves are great. They're such a great invention. You can easily make anything you need in just a few easy minutes. Take example for
Alright, wait. And action. But what does that do?
It can cook everything.
Everything?
Everything.
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 Oh, really?
we just need to freestyle the rest of this.
Everything.
Everything?
Like what?
Your face. I can't even do that.
all serious? Hey, Mom. How work this?
Push buttons. Numbers.
It didn't work.
You have to keep pushing it. It doesn't work very well.